Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so Melodies obi baka say Melodies so dey up asemu o dey asemu ba yes me dey obi a woni me bia ni say me dey ye nke ndi atem but ye nsuro bia we ye na sebe ntwa ya ya beba abontia ba beta just that we will not insult you. Now this particular video I want you guys to share it so that the Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference on Sabeka. Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference on Sabeka. If there's one thing you know about me, Melodies, and I say, me yobia will be can someone and I will be a bibia, me rain feet. Into several years along the line. Say adiena ne pakone ye no. Me ami be hu ne say oh adie we yes a mekọ akotwe aba. Na maba be hu say say na wo ye and na same way now can enter every single year. I am the only channel on YouTube. Every single year 31st night and come share and so for ne kind ya no me sanso de ba. Ya fa ne say 2019 31st night. In conscience of on the kind December 2020 say Metro Nini na so for Nini na Metro Nini na nam the conscience abaneni ehun say in conscience we na be mu we na mbe mu. I am the only channel in this country am yes ade no. Nini na say you person you holding Crawford accountable to the things they say. Now, many abo letter be so. Na letter way as far back as 2018. And a Catholic Bishop Conference for model letter na Bible. And answer na me letter ne so no. Ma me read a year heading to that said letter. Now this letter was in July 5th, 2016. 2016. Sorry, so me can 18 am fancheme. July 5th, 2016. And a Catholic Bishop for enkrata wo mo tro Bible say threat against judges. Arrest Muntie FM panelists. We and so for 2016 NDC 4 and an ewa bemu. Muntie 3 womoko threat judges. I can say assembly air koso say judge no omo ahwe no mo ndi e ma na em say anko NDC 4 line mo a they will finish them. Asemo omo kind no. That's the word they use. They threatened the judges. Yet omo for contempt. Na answer na ye be from mo ana ye invite omo say wo mo mbra no. Ena Catholic Bishop Conference etro nkrata we ema judges ne say judge foi nkrofu yinsem a wo mo aken munchi omuntum na ade a wo mo ye no endi ne ye. Now mama wati ase say a high court judge ababonten e be train say ade a Kennedy Japan wa ye even Kennedy Japan de ne kran esen muntie 3-4 de no na asemo America ene say have you heard from the Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference when they came out to speak on the Muntie trade no etron krata ema judges ne say judges no enchi Muntie 3-4 nintum no Kennedy Japan de no what are they saying about it and they wo mo ayekom na papa wo fie na wo mamienu na wo mamienu no ba kudi bone a wo hwe no ba kudi bone a wo hwe no embre bi bae omba second born no onusu kodi bone na weyiweni umbese obefi nsemben e na wo papa ne yebeka fa ho. Your guess is as good as mine. Now yanko letter ni me ready was a press statement from the Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference condemning alleged threat of attack on the judiciary. Was we the members of the Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference have received media reports on the threat of attack on members of the judiciary allegedly made by two panelists during a radio discussion on an Accra-based Muntie FM with a lot of worry and anxiety. And we wish to join individuals and groups which have already condemned this act. We are of the view that this alleged threat is a very serious matter that should not be taken lightly. Hey, Ghana! Me see on my way, yanka ne grow. Chiake o my way yen ka nekre. If a particular group of people eye bibia, civil society groups ni abetwe omo anu esi ne so, and the peace council na in 2016 na NDC na ewo power Mahama na hwa asem a Catholic bishop for kan was say we wish to join individuals and groups. Just say individuals and groups are a babontin ebe condemn the act of Muntie 3. Kennedy Japan there no. How many groups in a babontin abe condemn? Have you heard from any group? Obia ye kom. Obia ye kom. But me I've told you already on this channel. The way we hold people accountable, see, I can say, Ebia Kennedy Japan, we are also holding him accountable like that. And can Grofube who say, that's Dabi. Men person will be a baby and not say Ghana dear justice and fair and fairness and the end or my way Mudabi. Even this letter shows we are so full. 2016. Nkrofo can be. But see, we the haseno. But see, the alleged threat is a very serious matter that should not be taken lightly. Sembia, masa serious inti manye mfa na grosso or cash charges no any Ghana phone na. Manye mfa Muntie 3-4 de no agrosso. And that the Kenya Japan ye de. Oh, and the Yankasa. Yankasa ya yekum. What is a peace council akasa also? Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference. What is so makasa? Nko bebra wo mokasa on issues like this. Have anyone heard of them speaking? What to say ekuobi kasa? Fabe send me. O de catch me. Say melodies ya to say wo mo kasa. Obi beka say oh na say we no ebia Kennedy Japan de no yenya enkodi asem no court nja no mo kasa. Muntie 3 answer na Catholic Bishop for be release statement na Muntie 3 for no omunya court ne kra. But see any attack on the judiciary, the custodians of law in our country, is an attack on our freedom and security as a nation. And that the attack on it no say any attack on freedom and security as a nation. Me say we been send the idea when come Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference. And you me na me throw letter no. 2016 no one kasa letter. 2020, 4 years down, the same thing has happened, and they are quiet. Shh. They are quiet on it. Obiasro. On my way. Even the media. Muntie 3 no, you saw how the media blew it out of. Men can say they blew it out of proportion, but you saw how the media made noise about it. And then, do you hear the media making noise about things like this? Just say ya ho say nkrofo bi wa ban mu dia wo mo ho bon kankan nti wo mo de omo ya ye beka nkrofo bi ba ban mu a wo mo nso de wo mo de omo ya ni etetechi wo mo ya ni etetechi omo ya ni etetechi na me se me platform interna me platform me dia to ho say wo bia wo pese wo kase bia no last obi friend me say melodies na opa o platform say pana nkrofo to me fro di watem na still wa ba bebo wo mu audio wo we no am say ane me da ma obi ase won kasa nti wodi matem kra na mebo na obi ate say nipa ko we atem didi a wodi di melodies ni na obi ehu me say me platform no say ya ye beka enya ye beka but me ya Ghana Catholic Bishops me ya papa ebia no mo akasa about Kennedy Japan there no ebia no mo akasa about it and I mean say so mo akasa about it na mean say please you just send it to me and then I come back I do a video I can say oh Catholic Bishop for no akasa about Kennedy Japan into me na mean say but as far as I am concerned now mean say wo mo kan bibia fa ho. But 2016 dia esi ye no nsem a wo mo kan ye no ena mi read the atre Ghana for na Ghana fo ehu say eh embre bi BBC wo man mu say ensam a ensofo kan yani and the same thing they see ensofo a expect some beba be kan the same thing no ensofo na yekom ya yekom media me sing de wo beke bia me sing family ne njuma akopa me pepa o se de wo beke bia me sing me se family we ne njum MC Ebony Kokonsa police de wo beke bia me sing media me sing de wo beke bia me sing ene na Ghana Catholic Bishop for no ende wo mo also we think that as matter tie really has say no and someone no more kanini tie also we think that as matter of urgency the BNI should take action in picking up the two alleged culprits. And so for no I can say BNI for enkonkwachi muntie 3 for no in so for Ghana Nyankopon fa yebone nchen se obi bedi bone na ye nina yetu na no esi ne so na obi foforo so bedi da same bone na ya yekom eye bone wo Nyankopon enim Nyankopon fa yebone nchen wo man we mu ensofo 2016 wo mo frɛ BNI for se BNI for nkochi Mugabe masemo ene ne nkrofo. That is the letter in front of me. Nyam me na matro. Letter ene wo wenim no. Was we think this as a matter of urgency. The BNI, the Bureau of National Investigations, should take action in picking up the two alleged culprits. I say was a BNI for ekokochi muntie 3 for no. If it has not been done already, for the necessary investigations and proceedings to begin, we are hopeful that the right course of action will be taken in this and other instances. Emissary, they called on the BNI to go and arrest, and then have you heard them calling on the BNI to go and arrest Kennedy Japan? O Srompo. One knows for this row. Catholic Bishop. Oh, master. Osro, Obaba Bekan. BNI for chicken, they just send your country Munzie for Obaba Bekan. One musro. And you see, we are not being fair in this country. Yeah, we are so for na semba. Na bo se won kasa wo ho a, ene de won kasa wo ho. But once you are a group, mo ye nsofo na semba na mo akasa wo ho se, mo nchi ni pakro we. Na a different era aba. Na the same thing esi. Na ene de mo amba abonti ambeka hwe a. Ghana for kra ene da mo anim no. Ebeka se nsofo yi de sebe we de mo atre se said the na mo can say in software you will be a papa no we the more say more picky sides. This letter clearly shows. It clearly shows. So we be na here dia ye ma bia na nkoche no. A different person na here dia. Listen aye wo ho sa. Obi asem ba kwa wakan wo me WhatsApp group ni mu o say Ghana de sisi ano ya asem ni na no ekori echi o say sisi Ghana asem ni na wo kan the last word obeka ye na eye ne kre papa Catholic Bishop letter no wa tintin signed omo assign ni Montagi Omomame, Most Reverend Joseph Osei-Bonsu, Bishop of Konongo Mampong and President, Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference. Ono no sign ye. Na minim se still wano na president na. Ghana Catholic Bishops Conference. Oya bishop ewo Konongo Mampong. Minim se still oya bishop wo Konongo Mampong. But the yetim no. And you see, Embra Montie 3-4 no eka nsem we no. It was 2016 na elections yaba muntie 3 for ne de na around July na Kennedy Japan so de no 2020 elections but even Kennedy Japan de na kra no ben elections no kra sin muntie 3 for no iti ebi obi beka so de nti ansofo ne kasa e wo muntie 3 for ne ze na ben election because social one last but one paragraph on motor say we pray that in the days leading to the elections later this year, newspaper editors and producers of FM radio programs will be circumspect in their selections of those who are invited to discuss issues on the blah 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 blah. Intino, yes. Medium account. Me say me sana will be ni golden sensem me kwatwin old stories by ebetre say ase will be nim no da bi gold allegations are dey born na ya doson me kwatwin old stories by and also sankrofo the golden sensem to will be nim so sa e man krofo so say melodies utumi ko ye we o we nso e na mako yi abai. In 2016 this is what asofo ekai say be na ifo nko chi wo mo a wo mo threaten judges and then member of parliament akasa asofo na yikom because he's raw. Me see nkrofo to me catch them say melodies say me Kennedy Japan utumi criticizing no unsro say nkrofo stroke Kennedy Japan wo my way mu to the extent say wo mu feel say wo ya bone kran na wo mu ntumi emba mbeka because you throw no obi betumi agina baby aka say in so for a Catholic bishops wo musro say ebia Kennedy Japan say me odi ye obi ni no beba be ye omo obi ka sa well I don't know but you can say ebia eye ne kra because we expect them to speak on it and they are silent. The Peace Council, have you heard them? They are silent. Groups bang and what say on Makasa also. Obi asro because Kennedy Japan or no dear. Oko kan na nsa be so mu a. Ti obi asro. And the side and ko my we mu ye ni asa na ebe yo. Oh, ye ni na ye papa kwotena radio so akeka nsema fa nkrofo ho edidi nkrofo atamu di agra na ye liki nyama de ahyew. Inti obi antumi nka ya asem biom sa na ka ye ni ayebe because Kennedy Japan air train in the path. And you guys know a lot of people are afraid. But melodies there. Mwamunim. Me dey make me. Oh, ana. Enyo. Kennedy Japan ba no be ya do ya. Me na me betena ha say bona baso. Obe ma business advisor. Me na me betena ha say e bona baso. Ati ase Inti no criticism so ba. Me na me betena ha eka. But me dey say me di atem. But bibia asem no me feel say wo say da no me de beto. Unche ma ju comment box ni mo me da ase.